Who gets the best cars? We do. And here is another one. Land Rover Defender Urban. Full urban design package. This car's a 90, 250 horsepower, 3 litre diesel, 7,000 miles, £72,990 in silver, fully converted. How well does that car look? And Urban do a fantastic job. Try and buy one of these cars and buy one and send it off and get it done. You're talking months and months and months. This car's here, physical, ready to go, 2021, fully converted. Let me show you what you get. Look at these wheels, 22 inch. They're like a spider design, bespoke, Urban Automotive. They just transform the look of the car. Again, the body styling, so you get the extended arches, fully in gloss black, all the way around, makes the car look so big and wide. And against the silver car, it looks really well. Snorkel, look at the lights at the top. Bonnet decals. You've got your Urban badging, the centerpiece there with the Urban, and then the front under section here, again, all color-coded in black. Now this car's an SE, so you've got matrix LED lights, side steps, mud flaps, all finished in black, privacy glass, contrasting black roof. You've then got the Urban rear spoiler, spare wheel, and then that back bumper again. All this here, colour-coded in black. Urban Automotive badge. It's also got a detachable tow bar as well. Massive option. People love them. It's got it. And it just looks fabulous. It's an SE, so even though you've got all that, the great looks from the exterior, you've got beautiful spec inside as well. So it's keyless. And then you've got things that, you know, make it a little bit more luxury inside. So we've got Meridian sound system, we've got memory seats, you've got full heated leather. And as you would expect, the car's in beautiful condition. Still got just under 3 years Land Rover warranty and breakdown. Other things you've got, so we've got your reverse camera with your 3D option. We've also got the clear view camera in there as well. You can see on the mirrors there, the little yellow lights. That's all your lane assist and blind spot assist. Cruise control. It's a fabulous car, and it's just the way it looks, isn't it? It's had the money spent on it, but then it's an SE, and it's the 3 litre, and it's the 250 horsepower. That makes a big difference, because you can pick 200s up as well, and they don't drive nowhere near as good as the 250. That extra horsepower makes a difference. You've got 3 massive seats in the back, so you get lots of room. Obviously, I've showed you in the boot. So that is it's a desirable car, that. It's going to go live on the website now. It's physical, it's ready to go, ready to collect. Full urban design, unbelievable looking car. What a car. Hitting the website now. Call us, reserve it, £72,990.